So, we're going to go through the Leatherman signal since I never have. You guys have seen it, and there's other videos out there, but this one's mine. And it's better than everyone else's, even your mom's. So, I've used this like one time, but I've used the sharpener on the blade that I have at work quite a lot. So, it's got a little button here, which is for the screwdriver, but it also allows you to push this off. Pops off, real simple. See if I can get a good shot for you. It's stippled, I think that's the correct term, on the sides. And what that's for is for the serrations right here. You could sharpen those up if they dull. So you got this blade, it's very thick. Give you an example with this guy. This is my Lavoretto. It's just kind of sharpening it, showing my fiance how to use the new sharpener. It looks about the same, but it's actually like 1.5 of the thickness of this guy. So it's a thick blade. You'll also notice it's razor sharp. That's a better way that you can see the thickness of it. But this isn't mine. This is my fiance's, just so you know. I've been good. All right. The saw, also extremely sharp. Sorry if it's a little dusty. Razor sharp, man. Very good little liner lock there. It has a safety, so I can't pull it apart with this mechanism down. You can push it up, swings open freely. Inside of here, there is a little clip. Take your nail, push down on it, it pops out. I'll show you from the outside of. So this is your fire starter rod. So pop that out, and then you have this guy. There you go, little spark action. Sharp is good, but you want like a right angle. That's why the back of this is perfect. Okay, so there you have the little this guy, which is also a whistle. Blow into it. Take my word for it, it's a whistle. Then you have, and don't be mistaken, just because it's a Leatherman doesn't mean you're getting 50 tools. This thing has like 6. Very sharp little blade, also very thick. It has 2 slots for your nail, bottom and top. So this is incredible. This is the first Leatherman that I've had with swap out bits and just flat bits altogether. So you got this. You got a can opener, which also has a blade on it as well. And that's it. Hope you enjoy.